Hello folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Kommetjie. I don't know about you, but I've been always curious what's at the top of this mountain. What are those little huts up there? And apparently they were World War II lookouts for German submarines. If anyone in the comments would like to share any more insights, I'd appreciate it. Kommetjie is a pretty unique little town. It's well known for its surfing lifestyle, the brilliant epic waves at Outer Kom, going left and right from the lighthouse. But looking at that lighthouse, I found out some interesting information I'd like to share with you. The lighthouse stands at 33 meters and was constructed in response to the numerous shipwrecks that happened on the Cape Coast. It was built in the 20th century and constructed under the British Admiralty that recommended it and to help prevent these accidents. Construction began in 1916. The lighthouse was finally opened in 1919, 3 years later, and the lighthouse was originally powered by gas, can you believe it? But in 1936 it was converted to electricity. Thank you, Eskom. Yeah, right. The rotating lens produces a beam of light that can be seen for up to 40 kilometers away. That's right across the bay. I have been able to stand on the other side, the other point at Cape Point, and see this lighthouse flashing, of course. The views across the bay are amazing, and as we peep over the top there, we're looking towards Hut Bay. On the right side is the Constantiaberg Range and mountains down into the Fischhoek Valley. We really do live in a lovely part of the world, and as we rotate around, we're looking towards the Soetwater resort. Right in the background, the Cape Point Nature Reserve, surrounded by greenery, but living in the suburbs and less than an hour's drive, half an hour's drive into the city. What an amazing place. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to you joining me on my next adventure. Ciao for now.